create a meaningless password. What do I mean exactly by meaningless? I mean not your name, not your date of birth, and not something that you can guess, or it's not something related to the company you have, or maybe you're doing something. It's not related to maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend or your family, something. And overall, I mean, it's something, it's not related to anything, it's a piece of shit, but it doesn't make as well sense. And I mean, it should not be, it should not be something that you could be remember it. That might be a little bit scary because you might say, well, how do I remember it back? How do I type the password when someone or something asks me to do? And that's why it's the strongest password. Nowadays, everyone is having their password that they could remember, but that's the old days. Nowadays, you should create a password that no one should guess at and not be able to. Even you should not be able to remember it back. And that's called the strong and proper password. And these days, if you create, let's say, your name or something else, everyone can guess it. It's AI world now. So the password should be something that it's meaningless, not related to you, not related to something or someone, and it should be something meaningless. That's called a proper password. So in this course, we will talk a lot about how you can create and keep it. We will also talk about creating a password, stronger password, and where to keep it. Because keeping is another part of security now. There are going to be a lot of websites, and these days you just don't have Facebook or Google. There are dozens of websites that needs you to sign up and log in, and it's not a good option. It's not really fair to remember and to really type down. Even same password, shared password is not a good password. Every website should have a meaningless password for your own. Username can be your email or it can be your username, something, but password should be really meaningless.